We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Myself, Dawala Patel, lecturer in Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari, in Computer Engineering Department. Now we see the union. So first we see the definition. Union is group of element of different data type, but if memory allocation is different than structure. Here we see that is the same definition just like the structure. Union is group of element of same data type, but different is only that the memory allocation is different than structure. Syntax is just like structure. Union name, data type, number 1 up to n. All things are same like the structure, but memory allocation is different. Suppose there are one example, structure union. Here we see there are the 3 members. Struct x, y, z, integer a, character b, 20, and float c. Same example here. Union x, y, z, integer a, character b20 and float. So memory location, see here, in structure integer a have a 2 byte, see here. Suppose we decrease the year size 5. So integer a have a 2 byte, character string b have a 5 byte because its size is 5, and float have a 4 byte. So total 11 byte. So in structure, the memory allocation is just like this. First 2 byte put the integer A. One, two, three, four, 5 byte put the character string, and four byte put the C. The total 11 block is used in the structure. In union, maximum size is take first. Suppose character have maximum size, so maximum 5 block is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after float C, it use the 4 byte. And integer use 2 byte. So maximum 5 byte used in the union. So such a way here we use 11 byte and here we use only 5 byte. That is the difference between union and structure. Now we see the example of union. Here we see create the union just like the structure integer A, B and C. Union object take the three value and output. So different see in the output here we take the integer A have a 8, float B have a 16.70 and character have a U. The first process done of the character, then after process of float and then after process of the integer. So exact in character we get the exact value, in float there are the minor different, and in integer there are the major different or the other value. See the output. Here we see the output, that is the garbage value, because the total value is changed the last process of integer. There is a minor change in the float and the character have exact value. So that is the memory allocation of the union.